Agriculture plays a key role in today's world, especially with the ever-changing global trends. For many African economies, it has proven to be a dependable source of income and empowerment, contributing between 30% to 60% of GDP and roughly 30% of export value. It also provides employment for about 2/3 of the working population on the continent. Traditionally, agriculture has been viewed as limited to farming activities like tilling the land, planting, and harvesting crops. But today, agriculture has evolved into a broad sector with many opportunities beyond conventional farming. And so, in this video, I will talk about 11 profitable agribusiness ideas that don't require you to till the soil or raise animals. So, if you ever wanted to join the agricultural sector without owning a farm, subscribe to the channel right now and let's get started. Food processing is one of the most exciting agribusiness opportunities because it allows you to add value to raw farm produce. Imagine the abundance of fruits, vegetables, grains, and tubers during harvest season. Farmers, especially smallholders, often struggle with storing these crops, leading to wastage. That is where you come in as a food processor. You can buy these crops in bulk when they are in season and relatively cheap, and process them into finished products that have a longer shelf life and higher market value. For example, you could turn cassava into garri flour, tomatoes into paste, or palm fruit into vegetable oil. With the rising demand for processed foods, the market potential is huge. Additionally, with proper packaging and branding, you can tap into both local and export markets, making this a highly lucrative venture. One of the biggest challenges in agriculture is the loss of produce after harvest due to poor storage. Post-harvest storage facilities are crucial in preserving the quality of crops and reducing wastage. Farmers often lack proper storage systems, leading to spoilage and loss of income. You can set up storage facilities where farmers can rent space to store their produce under optimal conditions. This could include cold storage for perishable goods like fruits and vegetables, or dry storage for grains and seeds. By offering this service, you help farmers extend the shelf life of their products, giving them more time to sell at better prices. Additionally, with proper management, you can run a highly profitable business, as farmers will gladly pay for services that help them reduce post-harvest losses and increase their profits. As livestock farming grows, so does the demand for high-quality animal feed. Animal feed production is a business that involves sourcing raw materials like grains and additives and creating balanced feed for various types of livestock. The livestock industry is booming, and every farm needs a steady supply of nutritious feed to maintain the health and productivity of their animals. By producing animal feed, you are not just meeting the demand for a necessary product, but you are also supporting the livestock industry in a big way. Start by producing feed for local poultry or livestock farmers, and gradually expand to serve larger markets, including export opportunities. The great thing about this business is that it is highly scalable and it can be tailored to different livestock needs. Getting farm produce from farms to markets can be a logistical nightmare for many farmers, especially those in remote areas. This creates an opportunity for you to step in and offer agricultural product distribution services. The idea here is to act as a middleman between farmers and consumers. You can buy produce directly from farms and then distribute it to local markets, restaurants, or even supermarkets. This business works well with perishable goods like fruit and vegetables, where timing is critical to maintaining freshness. You can start small by focusing on one type of product like fresh tomatoes or leafy greens, and gradually expand your network. Additionally, with the rise of e-commerce, you can set up an online marketplace where consumers can order fresh produce and you deliver it straight to their doorstep. Fertilizers play a crucial role in helping farmers increase their crop yield by improving soil health. Starting a fertilizer production business is not only profitable but also essential in today's agricultural world. There is a growing demand for organic and inorganic fertilizers as more farmers adopt modern farming techniques. You can start by producing small quantities and gradually scale up as you perfect your products. What is great about this business is that once farmers see the results of your fertilizer on their crops, they will keep coming back for more. With the right equipment, raw materials, and knowledge of soil science, you can tap into this growing market and make significant profits while helping farmers improve productivity. With the constant innovations and new technologies emerging in the agricultural sector, farmers are increasingly in need of expert advice. If you have experience in farming or business, you can offer agricultural consulting services. Consultants provide valuable services like financial management, feasibility studies, market analysis, or even technical advice on soil health, pest management, and crop selection. Farmers and agribusinesses are always looking for ways to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and increase profitability. You can offer specialized consulting services or become a one-stop shop for all things related to farming. The great thing about consulting is that you can work with small-scale farmers or large agribusinesses, making this a highly scalable business.